This is brand new agent. The only thing we prepared ahead is the set of few of the cases. You actually want to surface the underlying problems, underlying issues with the agent. So we created a set of few cases. One of the cases that are very hard to overcome when we have actually two blocking conditions within one agent. We have a status of a review required for one of the customers, as well as expired contract, which triggers two completely different flows. Our evaluation set basically can contain of course, like the regular user main questions. Sometimes it can be actually with a lot of typos. And at the end, expected result is not just like a single answer. It's actually a behavioral checklist that we want to make sure that our agent understands in terms of the evaluation. The AI judge that will be looking at each of the responses of the agent will be checking if actually the expected results match agent response, if the expected knowledge usage is actually also followed properly. And we can also make sure that our rejection criteria, as well as evaluation criteria, are also set firm. So we know when this is completely no-go. Additionally, acceptance criteria can vary from the exact, the strict, balanced, or even kind of loose. Every data set, of course, comes with the whole version history, with the control access to the workspaces within the departments, and it can contain hundreds of them. I also wanted to highlight one tiny thing. Most of the ERP enterprise systems allow for example, exporting current QA sets. We are, of course, now allowing it to import it. But to take it to the next level, we also introduced the AI as assisted dataset generation that can be based on the documents, internal documents, external documents, web links, public knowledge, additionally with follow-ups. And we want to make sure that the even migration from the obsolete or old way evaluation tools for new agentic era are also smoothly integrated into AgentX.